Welcome to the Jersey Shore and hello from Bay Head. And this is a story of two wheels. Rode the bicycle here today from Long Branch, but that's only the short version of the story as we welcome you to Bay Head. This summer, I rode my bicycle everywhere from Long Beach, Barrier Island, New York to Bay Head. And that includes the 9.5 miles of Long Beach, Barrier Island, New York, which is a barrier island, to Long Island, New York, then Far Rockaway to Breezy Point, then Marine Park, Brooklyn, to Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, Staten Island, from the ferry to Tottenville, and then the Jersey Shore from the Sandy Hook Lighthouse to Bay Head. Now that took 3 different weekends, so I did that incrementally, and this is the success. It's the September 1st, and this is a bit of a walking tour of Bay Head, and that is where I am doing this sunset. What a great summer, and until next warm season when we get outside again, keep exploring and enjoying.